Polytechnic University of Timișoara has been established in 1920 through royal decree and is now one of the biggest and most well-known universities from Central and Eastern Europe. During its 1 century of higher education, the university was involved, through its students and professors, in some of the greatest challenges of our region, and it continues to do so through knowledge and innovation.
As part of the company with 9 Nobel Prizes in portfolio, Nokia Timișoara is hosting the biggest R&D center in telecommunication in Romania with 2,000 employees. We developed and tested since 1991 technologies for mobile networks like 2G, 3G, WiMAX, 4G, nowadays 5G, and ready for the 6G.
The challenge which we present is the lack of innovation transfer to support open and collaborative innovation processes and entrepreneurship.
Education is the most powerful investment in the future for a country, and it's the basement for innovation. The result of innovation is evolution. We are doing innovation in telecommunication in Nokia at the basement for Industry 4.0, but it's not about technical innovation only. It's about well-being, it's about way of working, it's about community, health and education. Let's do some innovation.
Responsible research and innovation is a relatively new domain. We challenge the academic community not to develop technologies which we don't need or technologies that might cause social unrest. The responsibility of the research and innovation process should be a collaborative one of the whole community. Responsible research and innovation brings science into democracy and democracy into science. So what might be the solutions which you can suggest for this challenge? Maybe you can suggest a procedure which might involve the whole community, the academic personnel, the administrative personnel, the students into the research and innovation process. Or maybe you can suggest an app that can support the collaborative research and innovation process. We are looking forward to hearing your solutions.